So today we'll be working very hard. Today we have a new topic. But first tell me what we did on Monday. Try to remember what we did on Monday.
On Monday, we work with PostgreSQL, and we learned how to create tables, what is a database, why we use, why we need
Databases.
databases, yes. Mm, yes,
And your
that's all.
homework was,
Learned
what was your
this.
homework?
My
To
homework was
create
create a file, my classes dot up, and push it to GitHub
to
and
GitHub.
create it.
And
Yes,
create two tables. Have you done it?
I create the file,
You created a
and when
file.
I push,
Uh-huh.
I have an error.
Okay.
And I don't know
Share your
why.
screen and let's try to figure out together your mistakes, your
Mhm.
errors. Ah, I need to
Give
share my
me.
screen. Yeah. I need to give you permission to share your screen with me. Okay, now you can share your screen. Mm-hmm.
Do you see?
Yes. So,
Yes, I create a file with Nana. After
and
that,
what file did you
type git.
create? Classes.py, right?
Yes.
Uh-huh. And
Why app up? Ну, расширение up.
what is this? I don't know. Delete it.
Ну, you taught me my classes dot up, and I think maybe it's correct.
No, my classes.py. Looks like I made a
Okay.
mistake. Just delete it. Uh-huh. Okay, classes.py. How do we push it? So type git status.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, type git add.
Git commit. Create these classes. My classes. С точкой оно что должно быть, да?
No, without a dot, of course.
Without, yes?
Yes.
Wait, my
And now you need to git add one more time then.
my god, stupid.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Wait, but my this is the my
Mm-hmm.
yes, now get push.
Let's read. Failed to push some refs. Updates were rejected because the remote contains work that you do not have. See what happens. It means that first you need to git pull. And for that, what do we need to do right now, actually? So
Make it
if
full.
you can override, you can type git push hyphen force, and you will overwrite what you have in your remote repository. Force,
Course.
yeah, see? So now, like you have different things on the repository and in your local machine. And if
Mm-hmm.
you type git push force, you will overwrite. You will overwrite what you have there. Understand?
Mm-hmm. No, and now I tap git push. Problem. Only git push. I must type.
No. Why? You have
Ah,
already
that's
done
all.
this. Yeah. You forcefully
And
pushed. Yeah. Now you can go and see. See my
yes.
classes.py. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I will share my screen
Mm-hmm.
with you and you'll read the plan.
Mm-hmm.
So it's our plan for today's lesson. This is the plan for today's lesson.
Today we will export the database to
Export.
an
Export the
SQL dump
database.
file.
Export. Export, but to export. To do what? Export, but what is it? Export.
Export the database to an SQL dump file. We'll restore the database from this dump file, initialize repository, and push the SQL file to GitHub. Automate the backup and restore process using a bash script.
And okay, and to what repository did you push those files? What's the name of the repository?
Exchange files.
Exchange files, right? Uh-huh. So, and now I will also push something there.
Yes.
So I will do this. Command prompt and G and dir exchange files. See, exchange files.
Yes, higher.
Uh-huh. So I created 2 more files here. And where are they? Ah, okay. So I will go to this folder, learn commands on my computer. Postgres for teaching. And I will copy these 3 files because you have them. I think you have the first 2. I will open Exchange files and I will put them here. Replace. So we have 1, 2, but you cannot open ODT files with this extension. So I will create txt files. Oh no. So 3 txt, right? 4 txt, and 5 txt. And now I will copy everything from this file to 3 txt. I will copy everything from this file to 4 txt. And I will copy everything from 5 to 5 txt. And what do I do now? So this is the folder to our repository. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it's a private repository, but I can pull and push because you added me as
That's correct.
a collaborator, of course. Now, if I type git status, what will I see? Everything that I added, that I have just added. What do I do now?
Git add,
Git add. Next,
git commit.
git commit and edit a few files. And now we have different things on your remote repository, right? And if I
Yes, and you must.
type git force, what? I will overwrite what you have on your repository instead.
Yes, and after that I type git pull, and
Yeah, but
I can
those
see.
files will disappear. Okay, let's try. So git, maybe it will work. Git push. No. See, no. So git push force. Yes, and now share your screen with me. And go to GitHub. Refresh. Do you have my classes PY here?
Yes,
Show them
this.
my classes PY. No. Do you have
My
my
classes
classes
pull.
PY?
No.
Why do you think you don't have my classes PY? Because I overrode. Now you have what I had in my repository, in my folder, understand?
Mm-hmm.
And now what do you need to do? Now we
No
need to do this.
push. No.
We need to deal with this mess. Now go to your folder
Mm-hmm.
and pull.
My folder?
Folder, exchange file. Where is it folder?
This?
Yeah, but you need to pull here. Understand?
No, in Visual
Yes,
Studio,
yeah,
yes?
git pull, of course. See? And we will always have this problem. Always. But we need to deal with this issue. For that, if you type git pull hyphen hyphen force, yeah, hyphen hyphen force doesn't work with git pull. It works only with git push, understand?
Mm-hmm.
And for that, you need to do what? Type git pull. No, git reset. Git reset. Git reset hard. Git reset hard. Hyphen
Git
hyphen
reset,
hard.
hyphen.
Origin main. Origin hyphen main. Maybe just origin is enough. No, origin origin / main. Origin / main.
Main.
Yes. And see what you have now. And now you can maybe, and that's all actually. And now create a new file here. Create my classes one more time. .py. Type something here. It'll be an error. It'll be an error. Just
Why?
because it's a py, it's not a txt file. Just A equals 10. I don't know.
Mhm.
Yes, and now control. How do we save?
Control O. I mean, Control O.
Enter. Yes. And
Enter.
to exit, control X, right?
Yes.
Now git status.
Mm-hmm.
Git
And now
add. Mhm.
git add. My process. Let's be right.
Mhm. Git push.
Push force, yes.
No, why? Now it's synchronized. Understand? Now it works.
No.
Do you understand what's happening? Now it's okay. So we need to put git force, type git force, if we have different things. So you push something to GitHub, right? And I do something in this folder. And now it's different. And now if I git push, the program tells me it's different. In the remote repository,
Mm-hmm.
things are different. I cannot just push. And if you say git push force, you will override what we have in the repository. But it's dangerous because maybe you put something very useful there. Understand? And therefore,
Mm-hmm.
it's not a very good practice to do this because I will override what you have there. Understand? And then when I pushed,
Yes.
and then when I used force, when I forcefully pushed to GitHub, you could not pull. Why? Because it was again different, right? What you had in the repository in locally. Understand?
Mm-hmm.
And the program like ask you, what do you want me to do? But git it doesn't work. Force doesn't work with git pull. Yeah, it works only with git push and git reset. And if we want to pull, we need to git reset hard. It's exactly the command that we used if we wanted to erase a few commits, right? A commit, or if we wanted to like time git reflog and to undo some actions that we have done before earlier. I think you understand, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
No,
if
yes.
we want to push, we need to force hyphen force. But if we pull, we need to git reset. Understand? But
Mm-hmm.
it's a very dangerous practice because no, it's better to merge. And like I said, it's a lot easier than resolving conflict. Yeah, we can resolve a conflict, yeah, but it's difficult. Understand? This is why all people work on different branches, programmers, understand? Because it will be a chaos, like chaos. You will push something and they will use like push force, understand, and they will always override what you, and therefore all programmers work on different branches. And then if everything is okay, yeah, they can merge their branches into the main, understand, branch. So
Yes.
it's git is one of the most difficult topics, really. It's not very difficult, but it's very confusing.
Mm-hmm.
And now, so yeah, let me read the plan one more time. Export the database to an SQL dump file. Mm-hmm.
How to open a database?
Where are you? I lost you.
What?
Uh-huh. Okay. Mm-hmm. So, exchange files. Go to your go to 4. Show me the tables that you created. Did you create those tables?
Mm, And
Huh?
I can't show you
Why?
because так получилось.
Okay, then let's go to your database. How do you do this? Sudo -u
Sudo -u
Postgres PSQL. Postgres.
PSQL.
No, Postgres
Ah,
is the default username. Postgres PSQL. Enter. Show me the databases that you have.
yes.
Commands.
L.
Connect to commands. How do we connect to a database? No, backslash, not forward slash, backslash. Well, let's see the tables that we have here. Backslash DT.
L. Backslash DT.
Okay, now let's select everything from this table to see what we have here. Select, yeah, uppercase letters, all of them.
Select
All.
commands, yes.
Select all. Star. From and the name of the table. And in the end, no. Commands is the database.
Yes, I forgot.
Commands is the name of your database, and inside this database, there can be a lot of tables. Understand? So when we create a website, we will connect this database to our website, to our Django project. And inside this database, there will be a lot of tables. Understand? So right now we are inside this database. We are already here. You need to select from the table, and the name of the table is
commands.
Python commands.
Oh, really?
Yes. Do you see it?
Python commands.
This is our database.
Python commands.
And
And
semicolon. Enter. See, we have two entries here. For and Python manage.py run server.
Yes, and now we
And your homework was to create one more table. Let's create one more table then.
Create table. Git commands.
Git commands.
Commands.
And enter.
And now I type
the name of the first column, command, the command, and varchar, and the number of the characters in brackets. I think maybe 200, maybe more. Okay, let's use not 100, 200, that's enough. And comma. And now we can, description. No. And here we can type varchar or just text. Text, and that's all. Text. Capital letters, text. Text, that's all. No. Enter. Yeah, enter. And on the next line, close the bracket and semicolon. This? Yeah, you see create table. If you see create table written, everything is okay. Okay. Now go to your folder. We can use graphic user interface or here, and find, I think, dump in an SQL file, or yeah, for txt. Maybe you can open for dump. Maybe you can open this file for dump in an SQL file.
No,
No, it's txt, but can you open for odt file? Can you open the odt file?
this?
No. Yeah, then for txt, yeah. Okay, click on for txt. Okay, so, and what do you think this is? Before we continue, let's delete our database. How do we delete a database? How to delete it? Click on
I don't know.
3txt. Click on 3txt. Looks like we don't. And click on 2txt.
Creating
Yeah, see, drop, and
related to
we have the same command, but instead of table, we type database. Understand? So, okay, do this.
and now
Let's delete
we
our
must
database
delete.
commands. Yeah, and we will delete this database, yeah. Oh, no,
Why?
no, wait a minute. No, don't do this, of course. So first, okay, go to for txt one more time, for txt. And this is how we backup our database. This is what I do always. Yeah, because the information on my website is always changing. Understand? My students complete their tasks, and all these changes are made in the database. Yeah, and therefore I always back up my database, understand? And I push them to GitHub SQL files. So I put everything, yeah? I make a copy of my database in an SQL file, and then I push it to GitHub. And if something goes wrong with my website, with my database, I'm not very worried. I'm not much worried because I can always restore. What is restore?
Вернуть.
Восстановить. Restore. I
Восстановить.
can always restore my database from that file, understand? SQL file. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. And maybe hackers will try to mess with my website, to ruin, to destroy my website. But I don't care much because I can always restore it, yeah? On GitHub, in one repository, I have code to my website. And in another repository, I have all my database saved. Understand? But if I don't have backup files, it will be a real disaster. Can you imagine? I will lose everything. Understand? Imagine you will lose everything, and there is nothing you can do. 2 years of work, all for nothing. I will lose everything, all the information from the database. And this is what we'll be doing right now. We'll be trying to back up our website. So right now, our database is very little, is very small. We don't have much information at all. We have just 2 tables, and that's all. But I have in my database, you have, and in the future, we will connect this commands database to our Django website. And we will have like 6 or 7 tables there. Right now on my website, I have maybe 40 tables. And for this, see, copy this line, sudo u postgres.
This?
And, but first you need to leave. Yeah, type here \q, \q. No, backslash.
No, this.
Yes, we need to exit. And now copy this, sudo u postgres. So sudo u Postgres is like you will enter the database as the Postgres user by default. We can avoid doing this, see, and or if we don't want to type sudo -u Postgres all the time, we can create a role. Understand? We can create a role. It's too early for you to understand what a role is, and we can do this sudo. And in this case, our username, our Postgres username has to be the same as the username of our Ubuntu system. Ubuntu operating system, server. And in this case, so they have to match, understand? And in this case, we won't have to type sudo u Postgres all the time, just pg dump and that's all. And replace, what is the name of our database?
Database commands.
Commands database, of course, commands. Replace database name with
Type.
commands. Replace. Uh-huh.
Так, у Postgres.
Delete database name.
RPG.
No, delete database name. And instead of database name, type commands. Right? This is the name of our database. And what do you think greater than does?
Ну,
Это
greater than,
заливает.
don't know.
It pushes your command, what you have in your command, yeah, to this file. Yeah, commands backup, maybe yes. And but see, home, what is home server?
Pass.
Server is the username. By default, the username on Ubuntu is Ubuntu, right? So replace server by Ubuntu because it was on my computer, on my operating system, because the username is Ubuntu. Yes. And what do you see now? So explain to me what is happening. What are we doing right now? What is this? What does this command do?
I don't know.
We are creating a backup file. In other words, so you have a commands database, right? And now everything that you have inside this command database, we put into this SQL file, understand?
Копия просто.
Huh?
Like, ну, как копия просто получается.
Yes, a copy,
Like,
right? It's a copy of our database. Yes, you're right.
yes, okay. I understand now.
Now let's try to
And это
yeah, press enter, hit enter. Was it created?
I don't
Now
know.
go, let's hope that it was created. I'm not sure. Maybe it wasn't.
And
Let's go, yeah, to Ubuntu.
let me check.
File open. No, folder. So what did we do? In which folder did we just create this file? In which folder?
No,
In what machine are you working right now? Is it Windows or what is it? Is
no,
your
it's a
AWS
Linux.
machine, right?
Yes.
Uh-huh. So what is home Ubuntu?
And
This is the path. This is the path to. This is where.
my database.
No, home Ubuntu. What is home Ubuntu? Type PWD. Present, current, present working directory. Yes. See? Home Ubuntu exchange files. You need to go to Ubuntu. One step back. Understand? It's Windows.
Тут?
It's Windows. What is that? It's Windows. So we
no,
right
okay,
now we are working. Where are we working right now? It's your AWS machine. It's not your Windows.
yeah, no, yes.
How do we go to
No,
our Ubuntu folder?
how CD and dot or what?
Of
Как
course.
вернуться туда?
How to go back there? cd dot dot or file. You can go to file, in the top right. No, top right corner, file. Open folder. Ubuntu, okay. And now was this file created? Trust folder. See, commands backup SQL. See, it was created. See,
Yes.
this is,
Mm-hmm.
we just made a copy of your database. And now we are not afraid to lose if hackers do something to your website. Imagine you lose your website. You just lost everything. You don't worry much, right? Because you have everything on your GitHub. Yeah, for now we haven't pushed it to GitHub. We have it locally. And now, just to make sure that it will work, just to check how to work with it, we can delete our database. Understand?
Mm-hmm.
Go back to that folder and delete. No, you can do this here. You don't have to go back to that folder. You can delete this folder because your file, your Postgres database is connected to like globally. You can work with it from every file, understand? You don't have to go to that exact folder. So open the command, the terminal.
Okay.
Yes. And
Закрыть прям.
uh, okay. Now open one more time. And enter the database, enter our Postgres.
Ой, а что такое сделала?
Mhm,
I don't know.
mhm.
Sorry. Okay. And
Sudo, how do we enter Postgres?
now we delete, yes?
Yeah, but first we need to enter our Postgres to delete. How do we
А,
enter Postgres?
uh,
Sudo
так, we type sudo -u postgres
ps.
psql.
Uh-huh. Now let's see
Yes, and
our
now
databases one more time. How do we do this?
oh,
Yes, we need to delete commands.
we-
So what did we just do? We copied our commands, yeah? We put everything that we have inside this commands database in this SQL file, right? Show this file one more time, commands backup SQL. Show it to me one more time. Click on it.
comments.
Commands hyphen backup SQL. Click on it. Let's find these tables here. See, git commands table, yeah, see?
No,
And
this.
Python commands, yeah, see? This is an SQL file. So now we are not afraid to lose our database. So let's delete our database. Yes, here, Postgres. No,
Okay, we type drop,
yeah, database.
database or table.
Why table?
I don't know.
Our
I think
database has two tables. Just let's delete this database entirely. Commands.
okay.
Why do we need tables?
Ага, only.
We
Ну
need
я
table. For
поняла.
example, your website has 5 pages. Python commands. Yeah, we fetch everything from the database from that table to that page. Yes, commands. Yeah, drop it. Yeah, and now type \l one more time. See what happened. We lost. And imagine it's a real life situation. Inside that database, we had everything. Everything now, oh my God, what shall we do? What shall we do? What do I do? No, I will kill myself. 5 years of my life, all for nothing. Yes, I'll take a gun and kill myself. That's all, right? But if I have backed up, if I have been backing up my database, I have everything, all these files, right?
Mm-hmm.
And therefore, now let's restore our database from this file. How do we do this? Exit Postgres. Exit Postgres. We haven't worked with this, don't worry. And now type sudo u Postgres PSQL. And now мы заливаем из файла. We pour everything from that file into our database.
From commands backup SQL?
Yes. Now it's not greater than, it's less than. It shows the direction. Less than.
Ah,
See? Is no, we are pouring
ah,
from the file. Yes. Before it was, yeah, we use greater than, because greater than shows the direction in which the information flows. Got it? But
mm-hmm.
now we do this the opposite way. From the file, мы заливаем из файла, we pour it from the file. And now
And is that commands
show the
backup
path
SQL?
home hyphen, or sorry, forward slash, forward slash. It's important to put a forward slash before home. Before home, forward slash as
Before
well. Yeah, it will be a mistake. Forward slash, no space, no
no
space
space,
after
top
greater than.
home,
Space after greater than. Home Ubuntu,
home
and the name of the SQL file from which we are pouring. So we backed up commands,
commands.
backup SQL, and don't hit enter. What do you think will happen? Don't hit enter. Don't
Uh,
don't press enter.
ну, мы вернем таблицу. Как сказать? We insert?
We will put
Нет, we'll
the
put
information from this file, but we didn't specify
no,
the database. Understand? The system doesn't know
типа
in what
куда
database to
информация
put it.
будет
Yes,
заходить?
so no database. And for that, of course, we need to create a database first. Understand?
И указать типа путь к ней.
Yes, copy this, copy everything here. Sudo u Postgres PSQL, copy,
Угу.
and delete it. Delete it.
Угу.
And let's create commands one more time. Let's create this database one more time.
Okay, I type create.
No, you need to enter Postgres for this.
I'm sorry. Sudo hyphen u Postgres PSQL. Yes, and now I
Create
type create
database.
database commands
You can
commands
create any table, a database with any name, but little big commands. Yeah, enter. See, and now let's check
yes
our databases. How do we check the
hyphen.
databases? Commands. But now commands is
Mhm.
empty, right? Пустая, empty.
Mhm.
Exit Postgres
Yes. Um.
and
Mhm.
insert, paste that command that you copied. And after PSQL, the name of the database. After, yes, see sudo
Already.
-u Postgres PSQL and then database. After PSQL database, the name of the database that you just created. No. After PSQL. PSQL.
No,
PSQL.
Ayosha. А,
No.
а тут?
No. Before,
А що?
before less than.
After писки.
Space and commands.
Ага.
Space, commands. And now tell me what we're doing.
Now we put our database on command backup SQL
From
file
commands, yeah, from this we backed up.
from
So in other
yes
words,
from
we
this file
yes.
to commands database from to database commands. Yes,
Say it one more time.
we put code and
And what are we doing? So present continuous. Use present continuous. We are
we are
как будет lead pour. We are pouring
we are pouring our code from file commands backup
SQL
SQL
into
and
the
into
our
commands
database that we just created.
database.
So we are
Yes.
restoring, yeah. So we had
Mm-hmm.
nothing, but we have a file. So and we were not afraid to lose. Okay, now enter. Maybe it will work, maybe it won't. Let's see. See?
Yes, it's
And now
work.
let's see what we have inside that table.
Что я
No,
так
we need to
сделала?
enter Postgres. We're not inside Postgres. We're not inside
Oh
PSQL.
my god. So do you
It's
express
Ubuntu right now.
being SQL?
And now let's see
No.
the databases. Connect command to
Mm,
commands. No, we need to connect to
ah,
the database first.
sorry. Sorry.
Backslash
See, yes.
C commands. Yes, it was
Ой, I
right.
don't remember. Это, как называется вот это? Forward
Forward
slash?
slash and backslash. Forward slash backslash. No, the
No,
name of the
connect.
database.
C and commands.
Yes. Yes, and now we are inside our database. How do we see the tables?
No, select.
No. Backslash DT.
Ah, backslash DT.
See? We have them
Yes.
again. We deleted everything. Yeah. But before we
Mm-hmm.
restore from the file, we need to create a database, understand?
Mm-hmm.
Now let's do it one more time quickly. Delete the database and then restore it one more time. Drop the database.
Hold on. Drop database.
You need to
Database.
exit first the database. Exit the database.
Ой, no, stop. Q. Yes.
Sudo.
And now drop.
No.
Опять?
You need to enter PSQL. Right. It's Ubuntu.
Так а зачем я выходила только что?
Because you were inside the database. You need
И
to do
сейчас я опять
this.
захожу в database.
Yes. But you were no.
Я
It's
понимаю.
PSQL is not a database. It's like it's the system. PSQL is not a database, it's the system. And inside the system we have many databases, understand? And we have 5 websites. And for that we need to have 5 different databases. And here, yeah, drop. And it's username Postgres by default, Postgres. So drop database mistake.
Database.
Commands.
A minute.
The name of the commands of the database that we want to drop, delete. And Semi.
Semicolon.
Yes. See, drop
From
database.
database.
And now, how do we restore this database? First, we need to create this database again, right? Create this database.
Mm-hmm.
We can create a database with another file, actually. Create database, and let's create another file, another with another name.
Mm-hmm.
Commands like, no. I ask you to create a database with another name, with a different name.
Ah, sorry.
Let's create,
1 minute.
no, 1 minute. Yeah, okay, let's drop it one more time.
Yes?
Or
Okay.
without dropping, just, okay. Mm-hmm. And let's
Yes,
create
and now I
another one, a database with a different name.
create database.
Any name, any
uh,
name. Cat, bat, dog, rat, computer, speaker, pen. I don't care. Yes. And now let's
yes, and
pour
now
everything from this database from that file.
1 minute. Dog. Okay. Type. So do you?
No, exit.
Yes.
Exit
Do.
our PSQL.
Ah, yes. Now sudo -u
Hyphen not equal sign.
-u Postgres
PSQL, the name of the
PS
database.
master.
No,
No.
here. Yes.
Yes, and now home Ubuntu.
Is the path, right? Ubuntu and
Yes,
commands backup
Ubuntu.
SQL.
Uh, commands backup backup.sql.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yes. See?
yes.
And now imagine, so
Mm-hmm.
a lot of people think I'm a DevOps. I'm a DevOps. And he starts learning everything, or she, without understanding how to work with databases, code. They have no idea. What kind of DevOps engineers are they if they have no idea how to work with databases, code, right? They don't
Mm-hmm.
need to understand how to work with code, but they need to understand how to connect a database to a website. Because when we containerize an app or a website, yeah, we what is containerization? It's when we put our database and code and in one file, in one container. And I can't understand how people start looking for a position of a DevOps engineer without understanding all of this. Yeah, and now you understand, right? Why that? Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
Ah,
now I understand.
yes, because it's vital to learn. Because we will not understand if we do not understand this simplicity. It's not simplicity, it's difficult, but it's the foundation, right? It's like, I don't know, oh, it's like, give me an example. When we start learning something very difficult without understanding something very, very simple, give me an example. Can you come up with a good example in real life, in our life?
Математика вообще-то.
Yeah, it's like to learn how to work with solid geometry, like, yeah, with very, very difficult
Mm-hmm.
formulas without understanding what is 2 equals 2 plus 2, right? It's like we don't
Mm-hmm.
know what 2 plus 2 is, and we learn higher mathematics, right? So similar situation.
Yeah.
And in IT, it's everywhere. Yeah, why IT? Because a lot of people know that IT companies pay a lot of money, but they don't want to learn all of this. They just think, okay, I will go to a job interview, maybe I will deceive them. Yes, and a lot of people, actually they go to a job interview totally unprepared. And now there are a lot of programs where they can deceive like job interviewers, right? And they get a job, but they are not professionals. They're not IT specialists at all, right? And this is why
Mm-hmm.
there is a term in IT, the imposter syndrome самозванца. Imposter syndrome is everywhere. A lot of people are paid $3,000, $4,000 a month, but they feel that they don't deserve that money, and it has a very, very bad psychological effect on them. Understand? I
Mm-hmm.
always have to ask you understand, because I'm not sure that you understand English, but I hope you do, right?
Oh, no, I understand. I
Perfect.
understand, no, почти everything.
Almost everything. Almost
Uh,
everything.
almost everything, but it's hard for me to speak with you.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, but I understand.
Yeah, great, great. So you understood that we need to learn this. Yeah, some people think, oh, it's not DevOps, it's not DevOps. Why do you need to? Yes, and I have some comments. It's not DevOps, come on, man, it's not DevOps. No, it's DevOps because DevOps engineers need to understand this, right?
Yes.
Okay, then that's all for today. Thank you very much. Yeah, see you on Friday. Bye.
Yeah, thank you for the lesson. Bye.
Bye.